With the Majacraft drive band, again, the key is taking the footman off. For this one, we just loosen the plate on the back of the wheel, and the whole footman connector assembly will come right off. And once this is off, then it's very, very simple to take the drive band off or put on a new one. Luckily, the Majacraft drive bands last quite a long time, don't wear out readily at all, so you don't have to do this very often. But you just take all the screws all the way out, and the third one off, and then it's very, very simple to take the drive band off and then reverse this to put it all back together again, and you're set with a new drive band.